was the most incredible moment in our planet's history.
Don't be frightened. We mean no harm.
Earth's first contact with alien life captured the imagination of the entire world.
The moment everything changed.
Welcome to the mothership. My name is Lisa.
For an entire civilization.
Our needs are simple, and our desire to help is great.
But are you here for our benefit or yours?
All new ABC Tuesday, January 4th.
I thought the V's were peace. That's what they want you to think.
Everything that has happened since their arrival has been part of their plan against us. It's raining red.
No matter the species.
We lose hope, we lose this fight.
One rule is universal. Protect the ones you love.
Why did you do this?
You killed my children, so I killed yours.
You have no idea what she's capable of.
Hello, Mother. It's Earth or nothing.
ABC's V. They return Tuesday, January 4th at 9/8 Central on ABC.